Hey, what's up everybody? Chevy Dave here from Jack Schmidt Chevrolet over here in O'Fallon, Illinois. And I'm gonna do a quick walk around on this brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado. This is All-Star Edition that we kind of fixed up. So if this is your first time checking out our channel, I'm Chevy Dave. I do vehicle reviews for the dealership and help you guys out with your next vehicle purchase. But if this is your first time checking out our channel, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. But we're located about 20 miles east of downtown St. Louis. So if you're in the market for a newer pre-owned vehicle, come check us out. So let's take a look at this brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition. Alright, so here's a look at this brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado. This is the All-Star Edition that we customized a little bit. We added the black bow tie on the vehicle, along with we did some 33-inch tires. We also did a leveling kit on it because a lot of the Chevrolet trucks, as you know, kind of lean forward, so we put a leveling kit on it to make it kind of look nice. And then we've got some graphics back here on the back of the truck. Some of the features that we did on it, it is four-wheel drive, plus we have also did the little etching inside here, the little vinyl stuff to make that Chevrolet kind of stand out a little bit more, which is really nice. Comes with a full manufacturer's warranty, and like I said, this is a LT model. This is just going to be a quick walk around on this vehicle. If you're interested or want some more information on it, our contact information is below. Make sure you hit that up, and we can schedule time for you to come in and check it out, or we can get you some more information or do a little bit more in-depth walk around on this vehicle. Let's take a closer look at the inside. Actually, before I hop on the inside, I just kind of want to go over these rims a little bit. They are blacked out aftermarket rims that we put on there, which kind of add to it. It does have the push button keyless lock and unlock, and then it does also have the all-weather floor mat, power windows, power locks. The driver's seat is power, and then here's a look at the interior. It does have heated steering wheel, Chevy MyLink radio system, heated seats, USB-C, and then also it does have the trailer brake controller. It does have the center bench seat with the compartment to open that up. So this will flip up to a bench, and then there's also some storage underneath here. The custom and some of the other base model vehicles that have this, that actually does not open up. So that's an added feature that you get with the LT models. And here's a look at the back. It does have all-weather floor mats in the back as well. Plus it does have vents down in the back, so they changed that in 2019. Plus you got the USB and a 12-volt outlet back here, so plenty of charging capabilities for people sitting in the back. It does also have the rear sliding window, and then also that does have the armrest with the cup holders in there, and then also they added the little storage compartments in the back of the seats as well, which is just another added bonus. Then here's a look at the back. As far as the bed, it does have the easy lift tailgate, so that can actually lower on its own. You just hit that button, and then it does have the LED lighting on the side. It does also have the tow hooks over on the side, and they shoot at an angle, which is nice. So it really helps you out if you need to strap anything down. And then it does also have the power outlet back here, so you can actually charge batteries for like a cordless drill, or if you need to hook up anything. But the LED lighting, which is nice, it shoots in from this corner over here to that corner, and then same thing from this corner right here, it'll shoot across over to this corner. And then you do have the third brake light at the top that shoots down, so you have a full 360 degree as far as lighting aspect to it. So that's kind of nice if you're needing to load the truck up in the early morning for work or for fishing or hunting or something, or if you need to load it at night or something like that. It gives you a lot more as far as visibility at night. All right, so once again, this is Chevy Dave here from Jack Schmidt Chevrolet over here in O'Fallon, Illinois. This is just a quick walk around on this brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition. So if you're interested in this vehicle, feel free to hit us up. All contact information is below in the link of the description of this video, and I'll also link out as far as all the accessories and the actual vehicle build, so you can check out everything that's on this truck. So if you're on the market for a newer pre-owned vehicle, make sure you check us out. We're about 20 miles, I'd say, east of downtown St. Louis, so we're in the Metro East area. So, once again, this is Chevy Dave. If you like this, give me a thumbs up if you like this video, or make sure you also hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. And drop us a comment below. Let us know exactly where you're checking this video out from. I love seeing where all of our viewers and subscribers and stuff are checking our videos out from. So make sure you drop us a comment below. Let us know exactly what you think, and if you got some good information out of this, or you like this truck, give us a thumbs up on it. So once again, this is Chevy Dave here from Jack Schmidt Chevrolet. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for checking out this video. See ya.